have your business funding experts who will tell you don't use your personal credit. You mean to tell me I could possibly be in control of real estate, become the bank, but I'm doing something wrong because I decide to use my personal funds that financially don't make sense. That's why when I talked about three parts of the framework, second part being the three pillar system, which is the business funding capital stack, understanding the difference between assets and income and capital. I can leverage the capital of my own of 16,000, leverage my capital of 16,000. I don't care if it comes from the personal to business side. I want control of an asset that's going to passively give me cash flow. I don't give a hoot where it come from, personal or business credit. But see, when a person financially doesn't know and all they're listening to is sound bites on the internet, they don't understand the correlation of an asset, be it on the balance sheet, and the income that the asset is coming that's generating is going on the P&L of that business. And I may have leveraged my personal funds. I don't have a problem with that. I literally don't have a problem. I don't know about you, but I don't have a problem with that. Because my main point is I'm looking, remember I said in the beginning, knowing what you want to do, what's your vision. My vision is to be able to build my real estate portfolio. So if I'm building my real estate portfolio to be able to invest in mortgage notes, but I may have to use my personal, I may use my business, I may use my self-directed IRA, I may even use an investor's self-directed IRA, but I stick to the same goal, which is buying the real estate notes.